So this works not only on a WordPress website, but really any type of a website, whether you use a Shopify or a Wix or really any kind of platform. Now I'm going to use this website. I just pick a random website, by the way, and we will try to grab this MP4 in here. So what you can do is you inspect the elements. And in most cases, if you are using a WordPress website, others just go into the sources files and go to the WP content and go to the upload section. But sometimes this is not visible, especially if you are looking for an MP4 format. And I'm going to give you an example. And I believe this area in here, if I inspect the elements, it looks like it is on the RS-slide, which means this is a plugin called a Rev Slider. Now, when I went into the Rev Slider folder, I haven't seen any MP4 in here. And the goal of this tutorial is we want to grab this MP4. So how you can do that. Okay, now I'm just giving you the options and how you can grab the MP4. If any of this doesn't work, you can always email me. Okay, at hi@bookwormhead.com. I'm going to put the description below for me to contact. And yeah, let's circle back with the topic. So how you can grab that. So you need to inspect the elements, and it looks like this is on the RS slider. And what's the problem with a plugin and on a theme is there are a lot of CSS that is on the top of that MP4. Now it will take me so much time if I try to inspect everything one by one. So the easiest way for you to do is you select the elements and then you type in Control F or Command F for Mac and just type in MP4. You can also type AVI if MP4 doesn't work, but in most cases, if it is a video and you uploaded that into the browser, then most of the time we use MP4, but it's not. You could try the Move, AVI, and what else. So it looks like this video is source or comes from the Amazon. So if I click that and open a new tab, voila, the MP4 is already easy. I mean, you can straightly download that MP4. The other thing as well that you can do in case this steps or this way doesn't work is you can go into the styles section, because sometimes the MP4 is added into the CSS. So you go in there and just look for the MP4. But in this case, the MP4 is inline. So that's basically how it works. Hope it helps. And I'm signing off.